Coming to you live from Farrell Restaurant. Gary. Whoa. Oh shit! Sorry. I needed a sausage as well. Wait.
Yeah, we have like one small piece with those.
Waiting for the soft serve machine, huh? So a cabbage, a sausage, and a tomato salad, please. Nice potatoes there, Gary. So next up, 108 and 30's one lunch pork. Wait, I get 2 lunch mussels, please. Yeah. I'll finish it off, Gary. Okay, service please. 1 fallow burger, 2 potatoes, 27. 1 fallow burger, 2 potatoes, 27.
Got that? And then you're going to need some cookery. You know 27? 23.
Next up, 23.
Thank you.
That's the soft. How's the lamb? All the lamb gone?
Yeah, all the lamb's gone, right? It went all yesterday.
Yeah, we have like one small piece with those.
Okay, service please. 1 rump steak medium rare, 1 potatoes, 1 greens, 42.
Just spoon with the sauce.
48 at the back, Luke. 48, 48. Yeah, we. Slick Rick. Rocky, sorry.
Yes.
I just mentioned to Gary about this. This is super expensive.
Yes.
So we can just really make sure we look after it. As I say, can we leave it here? Just keep a little bit out at a time, maybe a bit less than that. Just be really sparing with it.
Are we just finishing it on the collie?
Just finishing, yeah.
And
But there's loads of dried mushrooms in there. You got kombu powder in there. It's quite premium. But we want to use it, but we just need to be careful. Like if we drop it on the floor or something, or we use making loads of it, it's soon going to run out of money.
Yeah, I don't even know.
You okay with that, yeah? We just place it like 1 really beautiful glazed cabbage on there. Wait.
Yes.
Service beef ribs 81, burrata 56, burrata 56.
Yep.
Service pressures cabbage 42.
Musa,
Where's the
can
ticket?
you help me, Musa? Sí. No? That's good, go good. I need me. Any sauce, Judge? Nada? Let's move. No? Thank you, Musa.
So it's better to see it and do pictures. I live in garages. Those are the table numbers again. By tomorrow I should go. Yeah.
Okay, one pork, one fries, lunch menu, 3-0.
I'm gonna go refill this. Yeah, for a while.
Okay, next up, 48, yeah, 4 minutes?
Sausage on 27, please. Now, watch out one mussels to 108. Curry mussels, we have 2 different mussels, really easy.
Oh, great. I love that.
Got a bit of green for the pork as well, yeah? Yo! Can you go back there? blowtorch in there?
Around the corner.
Oh, we just...
Bit of a blowtorch to go like that.
Did you put water on the planter with that?
I did.
Cook it left.
Look at this.
Cook it left, yeah. The reason for the blowtorch, so you put it on the planter, right?
Yep.
Just colour it a little bit. It doesn't take long. Like, it's nice raw. You're just trying to colour the leaves a little bit.
Yep.
And then you just blowtorch the stalks just so they cook a little bit more.
Wait.
But you don't need to put water. Once you put water, it starts getting soggy.
Wait.
It just carries on cooking. A bit tight on the garnish this as well. It's more like one portion. You just bulk it out a bit.
Second one in the back. Is it pretty empty or is it pretty full?
Yeah, they've got ribs.
You got just ribs?
Nice garnish there, mate. Okay, let's go. We're going to go a la carte pork. Don't think you need the potatoes. Are these for Fergus? Are these here? It was cabbage instead of the pork. Sorry, they... Just that, mate.
Yep.
And the sauce there next to it.
Yep.
You're going to go table 48,
Yep.
position 3.
Cool.
48, position 3.
I like that part.
That's a tiny little bag. Not yet. I came along on Tuesday but I haven't had anything else.
Okay, 2 fish, table 48, position 1, position 2.
Yeah, position 1, position 2, yeah.
Yeah, so 5-1 cauliflower, 56.
Did you give me a table?
What were you filming this morning, Jack?
Come again, mate?
What were you filming this morning?
Nothing, just some little bits for...
Just talking
TikTok.
anything.
Oh, over there?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's reactions to our biggest hate comment. Some of the comments are absolutely hilarious. There's one that was like, can't remember what it was from head now, it's like...
Think for himself at the moment, you know. I would say, personally. I'm not saying you wouldn't have me once a week.
Wait. Okay, fries up, Gary. Gary, have you got a fresh fries? These ones have been sat here way too long. That's the potato. How long?
3 minutes.
You got anything else? Just hold there for 30 seconds. Find me whoa, where'd you get that little lunch spot from? Are those potatoes for Fergus? Are they for Fergus?
There's 3 on the next 2 tables.
Okay, give me 1 potatoes now while we wait for the fries, okay? I'm going to send the potatoes with this, and I'll just send it follow with the fries, but they're still going to be 2 minutes away.
I went through your costing because you said you had short. With Luke yesterday, it's coming in like just over £3 a portion. Luke, what was your piece of price yesterday?
Yeah, 314.
Is that the price from the invoice?
Yeah, so I said to him, you need to take the raw weight.
Table
to
3
how-
on
you
the house.
Take the raw weight to how many portions you have, and then cost it that way.
Yeah.